Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this episode we've got something very special to show you, but before we get into today's video, as usual, let's roll the intro. So what we've got for you today is a hidden gem. I don't think this channel have seen it yet, and it's something that I'm beyond excited because this car, as I will explain in a bit, we can actually drive it. So without further ado, what we got here is a 1982 Honda Prelude, isn't it?
1982 on Prelude, yeah.
Is a 1.6.
1.6.
And these ones, apparently, depending on where they were coming from, if they were imported or they were made here, they come with like a I think it was a two gear automatic Honda Matic was called the gearbox, or the 3-speed, right? And well, Lee, why don't you tell us how you accomplish this sort of dream of yours, this gem?
My little baby.
Yes.
Basically it was my first car.
Was this your first car?
My first car, yeah. And I've been after one ever since.
So you had one, this is not your
This
original?
is my original. No.
Yeah. So how was, so you had your first car was a Honda Prelude, was the same color?
It was a gold, and then I painted it Rosso red. With an air scoop in the middle of the bonnet.
Did you?
Yeah.
Was it exactly the same, the 1.6? Did they come?
1.6. Yeah, mine was the 1.6 manual. I then had another one which was a 1.6 auto, and now I've got this one.
Yeah, this is a carburetor basically.
Yeah.
1.6. This apparently is the first time for Honda, the first attempt to start doing coupes or coupes, depending where you are in the world. And you have to think that this is in 1982, so it was actually, let me show you the interior. So as I said, this was 1982, but this was quite luxurious for the era, because you have to think about it, they came with electric windows, electric sunroof as well, which was one of the luxuries that Honda put in there. It came with built-in radio. Is that correct?
Built-in radio, yeah.
Yep, which is down here as well. And as I said, this is an automatic one. And just look at that. Just have a look at the dials on the lights. Man, it's beautiful. It's such a gorgeous car. All right, so basically this car was at Lee's house, and I've seen it once. I've never seen it run, and Lee says that it does run. So we're gonna try.
She isn't running now.
Well,
we will see.
Well,
she wasn't running now.
Until I see it, I won't believe it. Yeah, let's sit in and see what we can do. So, is that connected?
Go for it.
No spark.
I've got a spark, but coming last. Go on.
The thing is, we're having some issues with the spark.
Still on it?
Yeah, so I'm basically, I put it on camera, so if I get fucking shocked by something, yeah, so that has to be touching the
Bring it off about
there.
10 mil, half inch.
So basically, if I get fucking shot,
You ready?
yeah, of course, yeah, loving it. Oh fucking hell! Oh my god!
That's where it's frozen bolts.
Oh,
That's where it's frozen bolts. Just
oh
gone
you
straight up your
fucking bastard!
Does that work?
Oh my god!
So we got it.
Oh, oh, my fucking hand. He goes, does it work? He says, no, I can feel it on my shoulder.
Hey, that might be enough.
Oh yeah, it might be enough to fucking, oh, I'm awake now. I think I'm not sleeping tonight. Oh, Jesus Christ, that was, whew. You're welcome, by the way. There we go, look at this. She is running. You were right, you were right. Oh,
Oh, she's died.
spoke too soon.
Should have kept it going.
She is cold.
There you go, it's on turn now.
Yeah, now. But one of the issues as well with these cars, apparently it was, I mean, you will probably know better than me, but apparently it was the carburetor, like to be able to keep him idling properly.
Yeah.
Apparently that was one of the biggest issues. That, oh my god, this power steering is amazing. This is crazy. Wow. Man, this is better than my Forester.
She's right.
Wow, that's cool. Yeah, so you can see that is on choke at the minute. Save the focus. There you go. But yeah, as well you got the sign there when you got a door open. Man, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. It smells so good as well. It smells like a proper car. Do the windows work? No. Do that window work? It wants to work. I can hear the motor there, but it's not doing anything. Yeah, get the choke down a bit. So basically your choke is down there, right here. It has a nice tune as well on it, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Sounds good, the exhaust.
You take this bit?
Yeah. Alright, so let's see. I mean, let me get, can I move this forward a bit? Look? Yeah, that's better. So, put it in drive. I'm assuming that's drive. Then, I'll go, fucking hell, I've got the hammer
Put
gun.
it in start.
On the start, go, that's on now. Oh man, this is insane. Wait, hold on. That's better now. All right, let's just go for a. It's so light. Wow, this is crazy. This is so cool. This is really cool. Let's put it in reverse. Let's go back. Man, this is so nice. Sounds good as well. Let's see. Let's get outside. Let's see outside.
you can't buy the parts.
Yeah, that's the thing, isn't it? Nowadays, you're not going to be able to find the parts for it.
You don't get the parts.
But I'm sure there's like some aftermarket
It's
brands.
stuff.
This is what happens with project cars. Now it's pissing down. We reckon the thermostat is stuck shut, so started to basically overheat. So we had to turn it off, but we had to get the Forester out because I'm going to a rally this weekend. So we put the compressor in here, right? And yeah, there's no way we're going to be able to push it up here. What we're trying to do is align it as best as we can, and then let it cool down. Try to jump start it back in, and hopefully it's only like from there, just to bring it here and leave it here for now. We are
Knackered.
Yeah, we're definitely knackered now. We had to push it back in here, and luckily it's only, I think it's like 2,000 pounds. I think like 950 kilos. I'm sure that, so it wasn't too heavy, but still, he killed us. Unfortunately, well, like with every project car, there's always back bits. So one of the back bits, Lee, is this panel here, where
yeah, we need to weld that, cut panels out.
Yeah, so we need to weld basically where the wipers go. As you can see right now, you can see the holes that they go there. So we're gonna have to do that, but we're gonna put this on camera so we actually do it, unless we find something very wrong with the car. Today is the 1st of September. So I'm gonna give us 1 month to get this car back on the road. Okay, the thing is with this car, because it's from 82, it's already over 40 years old, so here in the UK it doesn't need to be taxed, or it doesn't need MOT, because the car is basically original. So we haven't engine swap or done anything crazy, any modification. So basically you can insure, and as long as the car is like road worthy, if you like, we can drive it. So as it stands right now, we could drive it, we can insure and just drive it, and that's it. But what we're going to do, because it's going to be raining like it's been raining today and all that, and it's going to get cold, what we're going to do is going to weld all of this first, check that thermostat, so basically we know if the thermostat is working and why it was overheating or trying to overheat. Once that's done, I think we can just give it like an oil change.
Pretty much.
Oil change to check the spark plugs, clean the brakes, and
service, and away we go.
Yeah, fuel filter, and so as I said, 1st of October, unless we find something very wrong or something happened, hopefully nothing bad, or something happened that we can't do it, but if there's nothing like that, there's no excuses, on the 1st of October or 2nd of October, depending on the day it is, depending on how it lands,
we'll drive out.
This car is going to come out of the unit and we're going to go for a drive. You heard it here first, and now because it's on camera, we're going to have to do it whether we like it or not.
Oh God, yeah.
But yeah, I hope you enjoy this little montage. I'm not very familiar with doing videos like this where you're just doing walk around and stuff like that, so I'm learning, so give me a bit of time to get used to it. But the next video is going to be me with my friend Connor in Wales. There's a rally going on this weekend, and we're going to go both with the Forester, so if you want to see that, stay tuned. But yeah, as I said, this is the one of the hidden gems that we had in the channel, and very excited to be able to work on it, to be able to drive it. Even though I just drove it like, I don't know, 20 meters here, it is cool. It is really cool. The steering wheel is so light, and he's quite responsive as well. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling, but I hope you are as excited as we are. As I said, we give us a month, we're gonna get this back on the road, and I hope we see you there to enjoy with us. So as usual, thank you for watching, thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing if you do, and we shall see you very soon.